What's going on, guys? Cody here with CJ Build. Thanks for tuning back in the channel. And guys, today we are riding out now to Treadstone Performance. I gotta pick up a couple parts, one being a fuel pump, another one being the jumper harnesses for the injectors, that way I can put them on the car. I think they have the ones I need. They have OBD2 Honda to EV6, which in theory should be the one I need. So I'm taking the car, I'm bringing the injectors just to make sure everything bolts up. I might even pick up some injector hats while we're there. And then we're getting a fuel pump, we're getting a 255 Walbro. So hope you guys enjoy and catch you guys at Treadstone. Out here, gonna get some tires and goodies. The showroom for Treadstone is always chopping. Always chopping. And we got Fernando's in Mark 2 here. The J series on board. We got the TJ box. And then we got Mark Z. That boy hooking it up. Boys hooking up at Treadstone. Oh. How much is it gonna be? 20 bucks?
2,000. Over 9,000.
9,000? Shit. It's more than having the car right now. Got the jumper wires, we put them on the car, they do work. So we'll be able to get the injectors on. I got these injector hats, which should work as well, that we can put it on the rail. And then we got our fuel pump at 255 on the Walbro one. So I think with this, we should be good to raise the roof. So. This is what we took off, and this is what we're going to be putting on. So the heights are about the same. The main difference is this area here. It's able to seal decently well with this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try putting the stock grommet on this. It's a little bit too big. I'm hoping that it doesn't leak. If it does, then I'm going to go ahead and just buy a grommet adapter. But the goal is that I can use the stock adapter, the stock grommets that go into the intake manifold. So hopefully this will work. We're also going to be using these top hats that we got from Treadstone. That way we can get the right length. So these, make sure you lube them up nice, and then ever so gently get them in.
That's what she said. Or he said.
Also wanted to mention when I was talking about the grommet being a little loose, so it slides a little bit here. So for all of you guys who are going to try to use the stock grommets, I'm going to show you now if it works or not. So you'll be able to know when you don't either waste your money or waste your time. If you guys can tell me if it starts leaking, that would be great. I'm going to try putting the car, priming the pump and stuff, and see if it starts leaking. If it doesn't, we should be good. If it does, then we might have to take out that grommet. I think the vacuum leak is going to be the base of the injector. Hunter did say that could be a possibility, that they could cause some vacuum leaks down there where they meet the intake manifold. So I'm going to try running it without any grommet at all to see if it'll seat there. If not, then I'm just going to buy his grommets. Alright guys, so I went ahead and installed it like I did my RDX injectors. So without a grommet at all, they have no play side to side. They honestly fit almost exactly like my RDX injectors, and I ran them like that for a year with no grommet. I'm probably end up ordering the grommet anyway, since these are going to be 1000 cc's. I want to make sure like everything sits there okay, but this might work. So I'm going to go ahead and try it. I'm going to turn the car on now, see if it leaks, see if it runs okay, and if it does, dude, we might be gangster. Alright, so you guys are on leak duty. So I'll put you guys here. Let me know if you see any leaks. I'm going to go crank the car on. That's fuel pump primed. Don't see any leaks. Alright, let's start it. Yep, that's what it was. Leaking through there. Okay, so had the injectors in the wrong order. So I think 3 and 4 was switched up, but now it's actually idling pretty well. So I'm gonna let it warm up, make sure there's no leaks. So far it looks like nothing's leaking. We're looking good. And then I'll do a little bit of wire cleanup, then we'll take the car out and see if it drives well. If it does, then We're gonna go to our little boost controller here and turn it up a little. So we have it idling pretty well. And I had to pull out, even though I did the auto adjustment, whatever, I still had to pull out a little bit of fuel when you give it throttle. So idle, it was fine, but once you were on the gas, it was way too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the car out now. I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit because it's been sitting for a few. Take the car out and let's see how it drives. I'm gonna see how it does at this boost level first, and then we'll raise it up. So let's see how it goes. I'm gonna have you guys on the GoPro, so hopefully you guys can see everything. If not, my bad. All right, so I'm gonna data log the car. By default, I can already tell it's running a little rich, but whatever. Let's log it, and then we'll see what we can do. Need a little bit more fuel on top. For sure, I know it's too rich in some areas in the middle and then too lean on top. Up top, yeah, around here it was hitting like 12.2, so I richened it up. It was above 6,000 RPM, so from 6,000 7,000 it was a little lean. And then also on the lower side of the map, around here it was too rich and it was kind of like bogging it a little bit. And then I leaned it out a little bit there. You know what, I'm also gonna lean it out a little bit here because here it's just filthy. So I'll just pull out 1, 2, 3. Okay, actually it's about 2. All right, so let's try this. Let's see how it rides, and then if everything's looking good, then we'll throw 20% up top, and then we'll see if we can raise the boost. Before the end of the video, that way I'll do all like the drivability boring stuff, and then I'll give you guys a rip at higher boost just so you can see how it feels. Controller's a little wonky, so I just turned it like 5 clicks to see if it'll raise. I'm gonna put boost cut at 15 just in case, and let's see what happens. I don't even know if it's gonna raise the boost. I've had issues with that boost controller. It's temporary. I have the electronic one. I don't have it set up yet. See if I can go make a couple more turns, see if it'll go up a little. So it logs. Oh, still 80. It actually did something, so let's see. And if it doesn't do it now, then we might have to raise the boost in another video because I'm hungry. Leaning out on top, so we definitely have to throw more fuel. What did we hit? So yeah, it started going to like, it went to 13. Yeah, no, so we hit 11 pounds. So let's go ahead and let's richen all of this. Let's throw in another, like, honestly, like another 15%. I'd rather be safe than sorry. Okay, so throw Throw another 15. I might even throw a couple down here also. Throw another 7. Okay, let's go try that again. I might put actually a little bit more fuel just to be on the safer side. 1, 2, because I haven't put it in third yet, so in third gear it might make more. So I put a little bit more fuel up top. Alright, let's try one more and then we'll go home. We're not staying at no 11 psi. We want to